Obaso no a share link no na ya bibia kama. Mo a mo joining Opatafuor groups. Prayer tower groups name. Zenith groups ni nyina bo modern na share link no. Na intimiding komo kama. We are a bit late, so most of the people are in bed and they are not aware that I'm doing live. So when you come on live, please kindly alert people that Opatafuor is live. Still waiting for you to hit the notification. And wow, basubiano. But what they na share link no mami. Share link no ni komo na yeah, very very important. Obaso share link no. Share the link for me and let's communicate. And they are late into be bringing see about life. Etibomo de share mami. And they are late be bringing see about life. Into share link no mami, share link no mami. Share the link for me. Let people be aware. Yes, Panda, a very good evening to you. How you doing? I believe somewhere UK for where. Oba life now I share. Oba life now I share. Oba life now I share. Gladys to say. America for what to say. Ubi away. I believe so be away. Now in count. Oba life now I share man why. Oba life na wa share man na kama. Yes sir. Good evening, make you so. Oba life share mami na be brother. You didn't come out just 20 minutes per 20 minutes per. Panda, the course of Ghana and who's wrong is very important. Ghana, there, it has gotten to a point where we don't have value for humanity. Oh, Aaron Babo, Pipacho, I salute. How you doing? I believe somewhere. I'm still alive. I'm still surviving. And he said, "You're not American. Any komo kakrebi. We are still doing pempenswa. It's very funny. What is actually happening in Ghana, especially you people that are overseas. Muhammad tu kwa wo abruchire no. Bibia ya wote akatre uni aso Opatafuor se bibia ya Bragana within certain year ekusi June or July. A free dear koni na ema tena bruchire till say obeti say ya elections every tienio Roland it is a blue somewhere tienio na bo bia mane wo bruchire country bia was bia na katra onipa bi say Opatafuor say. Yeah, greetings Roland. Say o Ghana ba ema o till say ana o Ghana ba bra Samri from Emre a wo hwem ya till June and July, August, September, October, November, December, sa 5 months we mother ubi obeda da se bra be di Christmas e wo Ghana bia memba mother baby awo ho tina country kura awo so no ne di eye ye kan say wo Christmas no ho kakra betimi aka acho na mintimi nkaketi mami akuya good evening I believe so on your Obed salute if I do good evening Oh, Mary Magdalene, I believe so. Oh, yeah. A very good evening. Hey, etitieni, we are in a scary and a very evil world. Na menkasa bebre. I say, ewiase is so amazing. And then NPP as a political party, look at what is going on. A nipa wa adwene bi woni tirima adwene ne very evil. Nipa wa adwene bi woni tirima. They are very evil. Evil to the extent say o kum kurana on fan obekum because a nipa enye nipa mobobiem enti moa me kire wade bi I have very sensitive na active conscience, especially moa ma bie nyuma ade ba kwa wo se ohuni say eye wo bia or you very close to you and a bit me leak you information ama an outsider etimi anya some information e dia etew what you say obia obel and be leak information e dia ma obontunsini enti de bia no wadwene no ade ba akono on say the most criminal people in the MPP party also omotete wa yanku won the religious people, those religious people now, my almost say, "Omuya Christopher, Omuna debia you take you for granted because John Kumah used to be somebody also a Christian. Well, I don't know matter about his life, but also the most evil, corrupt, and criminal with the highest scheme of criminology, they are still persisting in the political party. And then I who said John Kumah ko. John Kumah oko or twinimu said they yatona to atwe obi ni siri ebiem but omo akwatena John Kumah fie ho echichi wo mu ani ase said the omusu no e omo anso ne kum no. You see how evil is? You see how evil people could be? It's alleged that they were poisoned. So the fact is me Ben John Kumah and I mean ka omo ho e beye den na John Kumah ho ye mahi se de me count masia obi a o man wo na ote ni baby no obeye den pa na ani brebia be wura ni mu no otimi aka se wo a wo hwe mi obe hawa na obe poison e hwan obi betimi ayesa adi obi a oben na wonim wo ntwom wonim secret sai nipa na betimi ahetew etine se wo fie na one house girl eti ho aye careful when you house girl e wo ho keep your housemate under a severe surveillance. You need to monitor her seriously. I'm telling you. Mo amode mo ma muja mo ma ho e di ma mo nanis e kwa adwuma no. It's better say if you install CCTV camera because these days you can't trust anybody. Nobody can be trusted. That one, keep it here. Nobody can be trusted. Nobody can be trusted. And if you have a housemate or a housemate, keep your housemate under a severe surveillance and the CCTV. They be monitor. Sanya sa na woni wonua o maami baby o papa baby ana wonua bi e wa asem na opewa kum opewa poison wa what be force our house help no so wani ma ho. I'm telling you me kan krepa na dia chro so wonua bi ana o wo tamfo o wo nipa boni ni o wo nipa bi o wo fa bi o wo soa bi no opewa di boni a o house help no otimi di fan so wo ye tokro baako hwe house help ye ana obi a tu obi o ye PA o personal assistant we na me soma no, we na me man koye me nioma mami. Keep that person under a severe surveillance. Keep your eye on that person. Man, close marking. And that's our life will be free one, sir. Mo so mu date. And my wife didn't woo. And why didn't you? No, we are queen. We are queen. We are queen. You need to be a little bit inquisitive. They said curiosity killed the cat. No, this one, curiosity must come in. And then ni petri more ding. Ya poison John Kumah and no masa people man no asabet now. I yet to say they are sympathizing with the family, but they are the people. It's alleged. If it's alleged that he was on poison, then who did that? Mina memetiha obien wo NDC as a political party. Naniba bridge on Kumah da obe poison. Eye omwa inner circles na omo MPP for na omo ben John Kumah no. Omo no mani be bridge on Kumah a poison. NDC ni bi antimi poison da. NDC as a political party. NDC ni bien wo betimi a poison John Kumah. If you say or poison NDC ni poison John Kumah, na yemfa John Kumah ni position ana ni nyoma wone man. But the remember ya poison John Kumah no eye wo mo e ben wo mo e wo sa close circles ni mu a omunim se ebia enisuade hunu se na wo John Kumah kura no some years to come and some days to come no so se no obekwa duru abrabom omu na acclaim man na free wo amana suffer ya ansa na wo ayo mo na nya nipa enti wa wo se di onipa mentality tie enti na no ntimi mfa wa adwene mu eni nipa bi nkonanti o anya so obi be clear wa free ho and now when girl eti ho oni o girlfriend eti ho e mema no afutuo we koma mo he dan a wo ye be ma no onware ya abaka ko fa girl I know ma oni girlfriend eti ho na another bema eti mi friend wo phone so a ma bro maninko ansa na ye too late in the first place no e dey na kan bema na offer no a reception of say on business basis, but say oba no timi de ne number ma bema bi a bema ne pen dia no friend on a pay basis bro maninko neneno ahokyere e wo wiase mo ya we say ahokyere wo wiase enti so obi hu agapade kituwa bi wu ha we ye boga ufra brochire ba Ghana wa ba be fam pena na sampna we no wucha no kotena brochire a unum de ono so ye no wochi enti wa ya na yakade bi e kasa ware a no watena o ye no hu wo fie na ebi no wa jana ye no abetena Ghana ana wa be fam pena ufri hasu kwa unum de o ye no wochi saade we edi bogafo bebre bogafo a yaku omu nyina saade ma we wa picky girl e wa ha ene wono ti abrochire enti wo firi ha kwa na girl no eni ne Ghana ni boy no ehhehhe ho sa boy no susu no ebia no omobra no die no be me ya wu bogani no automatically girl ni himself wo ku a den ya agapade ebeba ono no ho enti this is the mindset enti de bia no be on guard mawanimra ho so oyo oba osusu mawanimra ho so na mawani na ho enji obi ani udi agora be ma woni ne to obami yaku ene obeti yesi girl we ne boy ne ku no okatre nso omi enkoja no ha obeti we ni kunu atwese kan me yaku ni kunu abopa me yaku we enyam na metu afutuboni o. It's on the social media, it's on the internet. When you are aware we need pabiti na or more suspicious attitude we actions be wo ho no a ma wani mra ho so na monitor man close marking wo de ye ho so de o ye no hu ensusu wa hu abrante baako nyame nkoa na gye no enko wi ofura brochire ene oba Ghana one ne Ghana boyfriend one ne Ghana girlfriend also omote honu ma in some weird hours be odd hours be at 10 something 11 something PM na ne girl no enyinya ko bi onte ase omu nyinya ko bi onte ase enti oya no abusa girl no say hwan also na damfu bi when no onya abotre say ma mentete girl no otete girl na say girl no eni ne boyfriend or Ghana anye bibia say guy ni sika kakra wo de aban cheso be poison na wa fasika na home nti wa anye fortunate enough girl no onye technologically inclined nti o fan na ne phone and o port number no nti o nya call na bia ko be man hospital but onya we ti woni ne ti onyina na woni ne edi nkomo nya call and o de kwa abontene wa pie free bedroom e dia betena ho guy no friend woni di nkomo wa wie anwumre so be execute assignment ne ade woni ne di nkomo nyina wie ye say anwumre o mabo Ghana aduane a na nka odi agu ama no waku na fa ne sika na oni boy ni de gari enti senya boy no nyame na boa no portal get the number get the ban in channel actions bi ni nioma bi a o show weird e de man a otimi portal the number no e ma ofra etimi call other life for someone to receive call ni bia anke yaku boy no enti mbo free abrochire ba Ghana na woni girl bi ti ho ene ma na aba no omunte say ma na omanya 40 years eko no e ma na anya 40 years eko 35 ebinum ye omunyina omuye teti omu wo fie enti omunim say yekofa bema yemwa bema ne bema empre enya say nya wo bema na bia usuni oban bi bema oban aye evila. Those women were trained, those who were born in the 70s and the 80s. These women were well trained and they don't have such mentality. But sa one more 25, 26, you know, over 80% of them 29, 30 years, you know, they bro 80%. On pebre, or percent they are Lamborghini, or percent they are Otonioma Kessie. Ade ane maame di 20 years ne nyaye no opeso odi 2 seconds pe no odi nya saade no enti wo be ma na wone wote no oni ehumobro bi ade ma wo obekum ebi obi atena ne yere ho mani bi atena omukunu 10 years 15 years 20 kohwe breni yaw ni amani asa ma we afam eso still wo da so te wo but enye na yi mai enemai ewo esu different na uye ya no okum uye ya no leak information am ya benyaw to ye bema na oni obate wo mema ta frefre na me se pam no man nko me kan kra chiro pam no man nko so onware na so one ne te wo as boyfriend and girlfriend na ada mema eta frefre ada mema frefre okaka when you obia I'm telling you this lady will conspire with that person and kill you pamono manenko jana chiri die na odi agura wo de won kwa betwa so and the normal circumstance I didn't also the number more be from money it be penetrate mu mienu mu ntem. Women are very good and at the same time they are very bad. The more relationship with Musa tie sana wo oba no so no what relationship no ma wani na ho oh or this or that nyenko jame ha jiwe wa ma wa adwene mu anna ho na fi se o be ma we ya machia ne de o adwempa woni tim be ma we ya wa yese ne de se a wani be ba ho so no wakum obe kun de wa peska no anu oba foforo akodi hwa de a wa piri ho obekum ye de adi ma bebrebe me osofo me odin minim nipa minim amane ebinum akom minim amane ebinum akom womo a ye invite womo amo mako omo boyfriends efie omo fiances efie a enye nyame na ba mu anke ku omo de omo ye sacrifice sa nyoma we eho enti mu amu date no mu date no mu mani na ho ma wani na ho na yesa ombe yusu o boyfriend o they are getting wo ombe yusu o boyfriend e they are fulfilling omu dreams I so ombe yusu girlfriend no e they are fulfilling omu dreams ombe mi yakum mu amu ni mu house help etiti fie mu amu wo namfo mo ped namfo gro en kasa we dia madam we dia meni na di agro ache David, let me tell you, prosperity breeds what you call a lot of enemy and hatred. Only one reality man tamuna utimi koba udidi no onu so nidi no na adwene fofura banitirim a pofofura banitirim si say sa na wiase na ye we bia hunhu ye woni one reality hona woni ne koba utimi koba na adwene foforo abanitirim enti ye nim se we ye mi kunu nua we ye wo emma bebre na no madam fu ba ko ka se mi kire na onu ni kunu ni nua ba ena ni kunu oma ware oma de eti wo mu baabi na abusuafo na timi atu be ma no so sa eni be ma na ye wonchu sa na be ma na wu be ma ni wu ya na abusuafo no dimirika ada yiri wo ba ne pampi se omo die japade no enen tokwa en asem no court tie ni o we a life thing enye nto asem no court a no omu dibu a ede ma oba nse a obi oni ni kuna brett ni ba bi ne matewa abusem abusuafo we na woman no so te ho enti woman ni kunu eketwa baako osori a no obegina fie ho wantimi awura fie ho a no ode ne ba onu ni ba abegina ho ha kire se we ye de japade o we ne japade mewa no so ye wunua ene si dan no na wunua ni si dan enye oba na bo a esu ani brenti hwe de be ye one day na be ma ne ka kire ni nua ne se ni nua na wawuo ni yire ne se efie we ontena mu ma na ni ngi dan ampa oti hono mo saa oti wo ampa mu o okọ sorry or the Pentecost nyame nti de tie mu susire de wo wiase ohu ya ne se cancer abaye ni mu okọ tim enti ne kuru wi within 2-3 years pepepe no mso makunu ene nkwalan ketwa papa no egiade wa kire no ene abusuafo na ahwiri asidan so o mo age na ye krum papa no na nka wo se woman ani da ho no pe baby ko protecting ho wanko ene ode ye de asum nyame no odi King James Bible achi odi NIV achi ena kakra ye kuna ka ho na ya besen ya kotona to atwene ye jan ho maneko awu de wi asisite enti ene no so we ye japade kituwa bi a na nipa ni brew omu eben wo omu emahunsuo num womu awuni omu di agro very dangerous people why you are down for wouldn't have free and collaborate you all grew up together but the question here is into what down for you or what gempa or what trimu pobi woni trimu say wo nkoso eni wo yie die ni wo nhira no nani je e wo da komam obi wo ha obetimi asre ni seso uhu na nimu a ase wodo ase wo pe wasem but ni mu ni de wa mu na se okura woni won ne si abrabo kwam okura no woni won na shase adentina watimi asifie okura watimi aware ama okuru hwew obi wo hon ma ware amote ase ani di amanya nyina ye moamu nuanom na ensem aya unua ma ana unua mema aboroso akire ukunu no ene na ama ne awale na tete ayesa womwa mu a mo hwe yi mu bi wo ho anigi amanya nyina ye mu nuanom eni bre especially uwa abusua boni mu a ba bia ufiri no ubo ho modern kakra bia na nyame hyira wa na wonua no aka no se omo bra na omo adwene bi se asa okra wo na wa manipulate wo omo na omo de a time basa bi no omo de time a time basa bi ni the time sister show hu yo na John Kumah die ya mama sua nyansa John Kumah die ama ya sua nyansa enioma mienu na MPP as a political party omo aye ama me Opatafuor masua nyansa wom the first one aye John Kumah die wamu na de John Kumah edi agora John Kumah kan secret de kire wo mo se ebi kura MPP force ana ni tirimu pon se our presidential ambition ana our tirimu po bi se one day kura bi obetima be vice president. Why na John Kumah ni ko din komo secretly a sankrofo we etimi leaking information di ama external source aka kire ne say hwe unia our ambition so person we vice president too ma tete cross ye person man vice president enunti ena nani abre no ama say nipa nani abre no ehunu say ebi o clear John Kumah free ho a sa opportunity ne baba be ye ne dia ye kuna free ho ya kuna free ho enti busa sa question no sa uni obi di agora ye careful enkofa mpena ma wadwene ne ewu na ofi se empena no bibia betimi asi wo ne ntam bibia betimi asi ewo wo ne ntam bibia betimi asi ewo wo ne ntam the obey no be leak information am ye nya wakum the obey no obe leak information am ye nya woni am ye kum etimete wono masua de bi omo wie so no omo afere o omo poison no entu person tell say na ebi ni John Kumah fie ho are all pretending to sympathize with the family. Majority of those people who went there, they didn't believe the news they heard on the airwaves. So they went there personally to confirm. They went there personally to confirm that indeed their evil agenda has come to fruition. Obi o hono a omo akọ John Kumah fie no bebre omo anyi ani say omo tin no radio so no internet say wawu no omo anyi ani o omo kọ fie o so omo kọ hwe say no kore say ampa wawu ampa agenda na ye no poison e de man ampa atimi no wawu bebre kọ ho and the bebre will come into your life to confirm say wawu ana ho da so tiase no kore say wo yare no kore say wa bofom no kore say wa usi kashe. Sister, ukonye wawale pabi akwa nutumu ate na enjoy life. Ukonye usika papa bi akwa nutumu na di wade. Aya susu pre ho obi bra ma memre. Bon ho mpaye ansa. Bon ho mpaye ansa. Ansa. Masua nioma bebre wo. MPP fo nioma bi o ma ye. Masua de afirim. Mahunu nyansa bi. Manya sua hunu bi afirim. Oh, aye boni ene we osofo a mo wani na ho wo nsori ma ho na wo nsori ma na be leak information dia ma external source ene asofo o mani mu gu ase anyinara asori ba ne ba asori no obetena ho anu ase de pe na agene ye ne sa asori ba no doro asori ba ne hia no. But you see, women are moved with emotions. Once their emotions switched omuni uni twaka bia biem sa na omusutie enti obehu na software dey yi na deja so ada ho software na gewe si wa ye ni say na gewe si ni nyina nsa o ma anye smart wo mo anye smart enti na ma wadwiri mu na ho na ma wadwiri nya mo amo twempana ma bom kokko mo nya careful wo boy na woni ne twempana no girl na woni ne twempana no ya careful no obetimi ahaw na catch yourself ye bema Obaba Unchenya under normal circumstance also more respect. Any need apart from call obeya based on transaction or business purpose. Apart from Awishi, how you doing? My Delilah. one of the Delilahs that I have in the kingdom of God. I wish you, how you doing? How you doing? I believe say landing for who now here. Extend my kindness regard to Nana for me. You see, Obiwa watching reception of say girl no eba chain na oni obiwa business meeting na obenyi na course be on a business purpose. Ote won chain na oyewia no ho ye course be. Sister, I can say bra, manum kwa so wiem. Manum ko na ye wo mentality be say me a Christopher problem no. Ade na wo so twa so na nkofo hawa amre no. Twa so na ware na wo kɔ na de wo haw be ma wo twa so na baby a wo tene relationship no di agro be wu agya wo ma wo di agro ase na beto onti ase o na asofo ne de nada ne adwene pot basa to ne trim say obesesa fire mpaibo obesesa. I'm telling you, once human becomes very evil, once humans become very evil, why? Because when Satan became very corrupt, even God himself was not able to change him. God himself was not able to change Satan. How much more people that have evil mentality? How much people have been infiltrated by this same evil spirit? What makes you think that what God was not able to do, you can do it? At the end of the say, who nipa we out we say the radiant timi anya, who be timi anya. And I don't tolerate certain people. Once I will show sign the trend say we a threat to my ministry and my entire life, you know, and one must sign you off and walk you out of my life because why she a china bina nipa wo Kumah to akere. And there are certain relationship you initiated that. Nanka was a mutual relationship so because the relationship no wow. The girl no yana wow. The boy no yana wow. Cut it off. And so that muti wana Pentecost nyame beye, Presby nyame beye, CAC nyame beye, and muti e chile sana enkwase afutuo e chile bi na waware o aware ne de obeware enso mo nse wunya asundwie na aware de wakohye na bi na de bia o pretend to put on laughter faces, but within your spirit you know say you are suffering. You careful what nyame nka mu nyina mo ho. Oh, mo shem from New York. I mean, Shramo. And sanity, sanity. The biamo adwene mra ho. Think like a gangster. Think like a gangster. That Holy Gholistic Mama Jesus. That Holy Gholistic Mama Jesus attitude. Holy Gholistic Mama Jesus attitude. My brother, my sister, cut it off and think like a gangster. Ma wadwene ni nyete se obi a oye criminal but onye bone also omo ye criminal no oma dwene mu da ho oma ni da ho pa se mo study sa na mana. Now if you read the Bible very carefully, Bible say wiase manim nyansa se na han ne ma no ye Christopher. So let's see something. Omo politics mu NDC ni MPP mu no omo ye most criminal ye hu omo so omo adwene nye no also omo da so te ase hwe MPP ni NDC omo ye hu omo so omo adwene nye no also omo da so te ase omo di nyame akata omo hu na omo ndwene se criminal no na omo dwene se o nipa also sankrofo ni na ye ku omo also ye ku omo sankrofo ni na ya eliminate omo afiri ho. Ya eliminate omo afiri ho because omo adwene ho omo tirimi na different. They think say onu a Christopher problem no me ni obi any problem enti ade nti na wase obi be ha me me nkoka obi na obi abeka me enti mitimi fie me ne me ma me ne me kunu hwan na ka kire wo so onu kunu na te wontu enti obi ameka awade na oti ase no kura ka hu nua bi ne nko na nka hu kuna aboa mu ano ahono na tena wode asere e ka hu kuna ka ya twese ka de awo na nka ye news say asumasi ana obentene na ya wo ne seka no enti mo wani na ho ma wani na ho na saa nneɛma wei elidi nneɛma nipa bebremi eku wo ntem wo yɛ madamfo obi wo ha ɔko party engagement bi ana party bi a na ne wure firi no ho na obi engagement ase obi wedding ase sadie way a repeating itself very well every day bia obi hu ya poison way enti ya me busa mo question say enti said the wiase ye till date still nipa da so te wa o man ho kwan amu obi de poison ekuno the wiase ye onipa da sani da so te asase so a o man ho kwan mu onipa de poison ekuna na uko meeting bia ye mo aduane abra meeting na se aduane no we ni ahwenye wo Yesu ka se bi Bible no say onipa nkwa mfiri pa no nko amu na beba enti se we ni meeting where de na akoye no aye na akoye no we ni aye na se jollof aye na se dokono na sister how de bia if you don't act on your conscience now anye gentle a gentle spirit who committee wo baby na office comedy wa no aduane wo fie ma wo yiri no aduane na fa show kam politicians na muntie no aduane na fa wonsuo ka ho uti meeting na na uti ka from say excuse me no akọ show kam meet pa kura no wayi no anom drink ana wadidi no anom nsuo ansa na wakọtena meeting na se na ya na mo adwene mu yire fi mu ho o ka sa na mo a okọba ye honorable no enye nkrofo ya okọba na ye mommy na enye obi ya okọba na ye sister na enye obi ya ha na makọtena o say ya die aduane adi from source a woni mu no wo ti ha say obi ti sirem wakoduru ho no ma na nipa ne de aduane abra nim se baby amaduru ye wo campaign season ye wo afia very crucial for politicians. Here was season very delicate and a very crucial season for politicians. MPP wants to remain power, NDC wants to bounce back. And who said automatically there will be a lot of sacrifices. And wani now when Jimmy Kakrana won winning question who said any part do be sacrifice. Okay, as a politicians no musunyami. Omo nsum nyame bia o awudi omuti akohihye tumidia kese ase enti ye do season afiwe o ka se die enti na mse nya 31st wabu se odifo Opatafuor se die enti na odifo Opatafuor firi se ohu me what is afibia duru ha me se me nye program biada what bi da enso enti na odifo Opatafuor me se nye program enti na mse no 31st ye be no online aya na bo se ye 31st no YouTube ha na ye be 31st no won say makabida esumiti wonu me onyame difu onyame honhom wom sumiti say ye wo crucial moment election aya ye wo Ghana ha ni na sai election we na ehu che election bia election we ehu che election bia wo Ghana election aya ye nyina no we na ehu President Kufuor na President Rollins de enyehu President Mahama ne Kufuor de enyehu de ehu pa yesa Mahama Baumia election when ehu che bibia sacrifices bebre wo a lot of blood will go down eti mawani na ho mo amu housemaid e wo fie mo ani na ho o housemaid ni mo ani na ho monitor no na udi agro mo amu nannies omo hwa mo ma no monitor them, install CCTV camera in your house and monitor them through the CCTV camera. Mema na mo mu abrochire and mema na mo twempena wo Ghana no mo mamani na ho na catch us oni obate ho na otimi allow okwa bonten e ma sa na omsutie oba paade we no onya oni uni twaka biem sa na oni sutie. It is enough for oba okwa bonten na be mabusa the number on fa money da. Women are aware of what I'm saying. The women on this platform will attest to that fact. So I need Bema Netiho. Now or your content with Sa Bema na. Or Quabonting, no will be the Busana number. Oh, for money back. But immediately I obakwa abonten na bema fufuro bebusa ne number no watimi di amano no. Ka hu say wa create bibi loopholes bi abeda wo ho. Tuati ase ka hu say wa create loopholes bi abeda wo ho. Enti ube hu anu one sa nipa no akoye one. Na fe no mo be bounce back on you. Abe fight you big time. Ama hu akodi aga. Tuatimi de ne number koma fufura ma na penetrate ya. E ma ne nya so be yewe. Who suspecting the call or ba sorry ne maame onu oba ate ho ne maame frɛ na on fan call ni nkosie da ne papa frɛ na on fa call ni nsie ne nua mema frɛ na on fa call ni nsie baabo sa woni ne te ho na pressure aba no so na obi frɛ na ontimi mfa ka hu ne sɛ ye bema na odi akoma nti bra sa oba we pam no ensrin kyerɛ ne da nyɛ sɛ obemi yakum mema bebre adwene mu oha omo adwene mu oha nti de bia yekum omo de bia omo adwene mu oha nti yekum omo adwene mu oha yekum omo ema bebre susu de nti yekum omo yo omo housemaid o sister say an robbers crab be fi omo timi ni maid no ana gate man o tifi o ye one no leak information e de ama omo me busaw asemo ya me kan adwene hu ku akiri akwa na okofuru wo etisi jebi dan kwa fie kokun no mibza na gate man ni ho enti na CCTV camera ni ho CCTV camera ni ho enti CCTV camera ntimi ankata enipa no nanim se enipa asumasi ena ahuri wo enti senye nyame adom ena boy no okun jebi dan kwa wie ye ena ofa jebi dan kwa ni iPhone ena ode call hoso okoton ena ma omutimi tse na enti on sanka yakuno enti busa ho se nya iPhone na omo na wo fie ho gate man house help ni ade no mo ye den. What exactly were they doing? Because now we're on a security fence and also and they then are bypassing all this security a inner person account inner person be all. And the only security will fear mananya who say obo ho ban you. No obi ba no man $10,000 so ma kwami yanku obekum. One house girl eti ho na say obi ba no ka kire house girl say ma kwami anya osi a okra bi kra wo pe ukunu age no. Make us say kra no ukunu hyehyehye ho na wo sole a wa ye loose say ono hwe ofie ma. Hwe. Ma wani na ho sister na obi ankum. Ma wani na ho na ye inner person e be mi yakum. Akwana ye mistake ami yakunu kwa na mi shiraw makraw and a beautiful Sunday evening baby I will be enjoy it kafra sa me kasasa na I will say ye ma ye ni da ho na ye kunya too much areho ye kubo na wie 45 years so sa onyini afa na nko wo a lot of potential as nko be ya kana tikoma ne ko ya adentia or the Christo be sa the most criminal ones no more party ni mo disika kese ya kana o mutaso tete wo kakra na be di ni nsa ya kana tiko kakra na be di ni nsa sao wa mo ani anda ho a wa dwene o say madam for politician we me fellow honorable minister me fellow honorable me fellow this esuna na libero onya wo bekum. And politics is a dangerous game, one of the dangerous game I also no and you wadi die mu ye enkwa sorry ema obi nya yi wo na nkodi di hofu enko engagement obi engagement ase and we yi akoko kese ya wo e dey na how obi engagement ase okoyi akoko kese ye dey nti se yenya kase ene aduane ne de serve yourself na muguso na uguso obi o beji kokonte waji fufu aji mutu aji we ni wadi e dey na how enti aduane we kura no opusu uti se da bi minni na uja no ho no na ye den eso be kwa kodidi ho ama na fa ni yam ni ya poison no mumu bebre ya poison mu ba munya we mumu bi bebre ya poison mu They be on my poison about 2 years later, and be ejuma. 3 years later, and be ejuma. Muhwe ye. Mema no muhwe ye why? Muhwe ye. Na say you better get it to any prominent person biana. And you through oba. We are aware. I'm not against women. So don't go and sit somewhere and say Opatafuor is against women, but you are aware. Say every prominent person be a better get access to one. Etimio could be an through a woman. I am also moving a film who play loose games. But this year, I mean, come on. If it's here, I mean, come on.